All right, let's walk through a real fiberglass deck repair and why cracks should never be ignored. From the surface, this deck only showed cracking in the fiberglass. To most people, that looks cosmetic, something easy to overlook or put off. But once water gets through a crack, the damage doesn't stay on the surface. It moves downward. In this case, water mitigated beneath the fiberglass and into the layers below. When we opened the deck up, we found damage that had already progressed past the surface. We had to remove the affected areas, replace sections of the second plywood layer, and repair portions of the subfloor before rebuilding the fiberglass system to the correct height and sealing everything back up. That's already real damage, not cosmetic. Now, here's the important distinction. This was not the worst case scenario. If the moisture had continued to spread, the next layer it would have reached is the structural framing of the deck. At that point, you're no longer talking about surface repairs. You're talking about joists, framing members, and extensive structural reconstruction. That's when repair timelines get longer and cost increase significantly. This is why cracks matter. They're not just surface defects, they're entry points. Once the water gets in, it does not stop on its own. The only way to stop it is to address it early.